millennia. That took like, God, 6 minutes? 5? Anyway, welcome to Pumpkin Panic. I hear it's sort of like Stardew Valley, so I'm all about that. Anyway, let's dive right into this game. Hey, why are you still in bed? You should be working on the farm. Get up. Come on. Fine. I don't wanna get up. Dude, take a yawn. I don't wanna get up, bro. I'm adorable! Finally. No time to waste. Let's get farming. Alright, take these C's, pick them up with F, and I'll wait for you outside. Okay. There's a lot of F I can see. Okay, let's go. Oh my god. I love the graphics. So pretty. Okay. What's this? Okay. Okay, so I think this is the workbench. Hold on, I want to turn the volume up because I can't hear it. Look how cute I am. I'm gonna explore the farm a little bit. No deer? Okay. Okay. I love this was definitely made in Unity. Where's the farm? Oh, hi. Here, you can plant the seeds in the area there by pressing F, and water them by pressing space. Okay. Oh. Okay. Am I planting pumpkins? What is this yellow meter? What is the yellow meter? What is that? Oh, it is so fancy. If you need to refill water, you have a well down there. Oh, hello. Hold F to refill your water. Okay. So what is this orange meter? I'm so confused. The character is adorable. I would just want to give them a hug, you know? Just like boop, boop the snoot. Doesn't have a snoot, but it's these things real fast. Upgrade your tools or buy your resources. You can do it on the workbench at your home. Okay. Oh, that's what we saw in the house. What this? Oh, what they're so pretty. Ooh. I'm rich. I got a total of 3 coins, my man. Okay. Okay, so Stardew Valley. Got it. I want to squash it. You can also use your lantern with R. I have a lantern? Oh, that's probably what this is! Okay, I bet you that's my oil thing. Got it. See, I'm a genius. I like the crows. Yeah, manipulator. Oh my god. Straight up manipulation. Oh, I need water. Oh, F. What was that? I heard a noise. You want to squash it? So cute? Okay. Grow. Thank you. I bend plants to my will. What's that noise? You should hide. What? I should hide. Wait a minute. Okay. Hide in the house? Okay, bet. Alright. I'm just gonna hide right here. No one can see me. What is that? Excuse me? Yes, this game is free. What is that? Is that a deer? What is that? What is that? I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like that. What was that? I didn't like that. Hello? So like speed. Yeah, I'm gonna need the speed. My heart. What was that? I knew this was a horror game. I'm speed. What was that? Is this thing just gonna be around? It's a stick. It's a stick. I like the stick. Ooh, I got a stick. I'm shaking. What was that? CP96, yes. Ooh. 8 sticks and 8 6 whatever that is. I don't know. I'm too like shaken. Hold F. I need to turn my volume up, so you guys are gonna hear some things, but like No, thank you. Is this just gonna be around? What is this? What is that? Oh, it was the crow. That scared me so bad. Crow, I hate you. I hate the crow sometimes. That was, yeah, it was a little spooky. It's getting spooky. Uh-huh. I didn't like that. That scared me. Am I just gonna have a constant threat? That was terrifying! No! I'm good. Can we just water this infinitely? No. I hated that. That was awful. That was... You guys are gonna be hearing a lot of, like, background noise. I'm sorry, but, like, I had the word panic in it. Yeah. I'm gonna come back soon. Better hide. What do you... It is ugly, for real. Goofy, y'all. Was that, like, a skinwalker? What was that? I love the art style, though. As terrifying as this game is, I love the art style. God, I have such little water capacity. I think I can upgrade it, though. God, the crow. God, I hate you. What is that? Hello? It's shiny. I like it. Me likey. Me likey shiny. I'm so slow. Yippee. Aw, let's warm up by the fireplace. Let's just calm down a little. My nerves are like shot. Crap. I hated that. Can I hide in here? Oh! Oh, this is what this is for. Okay. What? I'm Little Red Riding Hood, my man. Look at me go. What? What's that? That, is that thing coming back? That thing's coming back, isn't it? Fire looks like a monster. Don't give me that idea. Don't give me that idea. That's not polite. Yep, there it is. Ugh! Go away! It is back. I don't like it. Wait, am I just stuck here? Wait, does it come back and, like, leave? What does it do? What is that?! Ah! So the house isn't safe anymore. Got it. Oh, I hated that. Where am I to go? Man, I just want to be a farmer. Bro. My heart. I can't do this, man. What? It's getting dark. I'm going back inside. Can I go back inside? Okay, I can go back inside. I hated that. Oil refill? Okay. Can I upgrade my lantern yet? Please. God, I hated that. Ugh. What? Oh, wait. So the house isn't safe anymore. I want to cry. I want to cry. God. Like, watching a game... Yeah, I thought... You're not playing it! Watching a horror game is so much different than playing a horror game, because it forces you to confront things. So... Yeah, I'm just a little shaken. A little bit. I knew this was like, and like Animal Crossing Stardew Valley. It's like horror. God, terrifying. By the way, this is free on itch.io, in case everybody is wondering. Just saying. It's really pretty. It's a really well-made game. And it's an indie game. But my heart, just like... sorry, it's just ugly. Yeah, it's... My dude is built like SCP-96. I'm just saying. I'm so shaken. I don't want to unpause. By the way, does that shadow thing just like come if I've stayed in the house for too long? I really don't like the dark. I don't like it. I don't wanna. It's so dark I can't see anything. Okay, yeah, we're probably gonna switch to Stardew Valley. Cause girl, my nerves. I can't handle my fragile little heart. Oh, there's a plant over here. We're going back inside. We're going back inside. I can't. It's spooky. It's getting spooky. Okay, yeah, no. You wanna see? Yeah, it's on Windows, don't worry. It crawls around, it's just creepy. Yeah, my nerves are like, I'm shaking. I can't. I'm terrified. Ugh. Oh my god. What happens if my lantern juice runs out? What happens if the lantern juice runs I want to go home. I'm okay. Thank you. Anyway, that was the stream. No, I'm kidding. I really don't want to continue. I hate the dark. Fun fact, I'm terrified of the dark in real life. So this is fun. And yeah, you can get it on Windows. It's on itch.io for free. I want to see this in a full game though. Resume. Oh! What? I wish I could just stay here. It'd be great. Let's go. I hate it. I hate it here. I'm gonna go home. I'm also terrified of the dark. Yes, girl. Ugh. I don't know what that sound was, girl. I'm sorry. No. Okay, I gotta continue. Oh no, I have to restart. Escape. Oh! I'm an idiot. So I have to restart. Hi, I know. Oh, whoops. God, my nerves are so shot. I hated that. I'm just gonna do as much farming as I can. Playing it. I'm not playing FNAF at pitch black in the middle of the night. No, thank you. Just read for water. Yeah, I know. I love how he just like kind of bops his head when he talks. He's like, wah, wah, wah. Crow for some. I am starting to despise that crow. Girl, same. My dude straight up and left. Also, that does not look very stable, my man. Does not look stable. I'm speed. I show speed. I hated that. It's just gonna be like, Tori gets scared of everything because she can't handle things properly. So I know I can use my lantern. You know what? If you can't beat it, befriend it. I'm a befriend that skinwalker alien thing. I want to eat it. Don't eat the crow. I think yeah, it's a crow. It's not a raven. My heart. My heart can't handle this, man. I'm not even gonna finish the game, bro. Please. I need speed. Oh, my Red Riding Hood is gone. Lame. That's a noise. Oh, that's a nope! That's a nope! That's a nope! That's what it's called! Leave. Run. Hide. Bye bye, Mr. Crow. I never. Actually, I think the crow gives you like sticks and things. My heart. My heart. Look how cute my character is, though. Like, look how cute I am. I also need to be careful of the door because it opens like automatically, and that's rude. There it is. I hear it. Where'd it go? Is it gone? Man straight up dipped. Alright. I can't hear. I can't tell if I can hear it or not. Ooh, stick. I like oh, that's where the crow was. Okay. I guess he gave me a stick. Oh, he's giving me sticks. He's like, here, I'll help you out. I'm just from the comfort of my own home. He's like, I'll just watch from afar. I hate the F key. I don't need a reason. I just don't like it. Come on. Water. Oh, look at them grow, my children. They grow up so fast. Well, speed, yep. Oh, that's gonna be helpful, girl. Period. I can't trust anything because, girl. That fills up a little bit faster. Okay. You want your stream on PC because haha. It is free on Windows. I'm playing on the Windows. It's on itch.io, my dear. Ooh, that does have more capacity. I'm listening on for every single little sound. I'm just like, what was that? That's a cute game, though. Can I get like a non-horror version of this? The animatronics here do get a little quirky at night. Am I wrong? I love the animation though. I love the style of this game. It's so cute. It's coming! It's coming! Go, 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 go! The crow summoning monsters. Conspiracy! Okay. His little legs. What if I just got— Oh! Oh, that scared me so bad. Just like cut his legs off, bro. Oh, my heart. Go away. I don't like you. Okay, it's leaving soon. Why does he just have like an aura? Look at his little legs. That thing is so cute. Go away. Why did it just disappear? Did that disappear once? Like, why are you here? Who would choose to live here is my question. Who's like, oh yes, the constant fear of death. Am I just like, oh hi, hey Liam, how you doing? Also, you guys should watch his new SMP. It's coming out very soon. Tiger Nuggets SMP. Because it looks really funny. Chicken fingers, I would. I'm not gonna live there. I think I like nighttime. I don't like the night. It's scary. It's scary. It's getting spooky. It's a little like spooky. I see. Oh, coin. Yum yum yum. I'm going back inside. Where am I going? There I am. It's getting spooky. Oh, I can get the hoodie again. I want my hood. Give me my hoodie. Oh! I'm purple now. Oh my god. My heart. Ugh. My nerves are so shot, man. I really don't wanna. Like, I should have gotten oil. Okay. Why? What is that? You can only carry 2. Okay. I should probably get one bag of seeds. Let's see. Okay, more seeds, lanterns. Okay. I hear music. I hear a music box and it's freaking me out. Good day. Have a nice day. Can I just sleep? Like, I want to sleep. Let me sleep. Look at that painting. Look how pretty that is. I don't think you want to watch. I don't. Ugh. Yeah, I can't do this. It's a very cute game. Aesthetically. Not morally. Why is there music? I don't know! I hate you. I thought it was my brother before. Oh, why are you here? What are you? I hate it here. Yeah, okay, I think the stream is done. I'm sorry, I can't. I don't handle that. I didn't handle that very well. I might play it for Halloween. Not today. I'm so sorry. Can you say, oh man, next time something could become Mamma Mia. I'm sorry, I can't. You're like, oh yes, Tori can't handle things, although she makes horror content all the time. Spooky stream over. I'll do it for Halloween. I will do this for Halloween. I would have quit as soon as I saw the crow. Why do you guys hate the crow so much? Stream over? I don't know. I'm like kind of like I need to calm down. I had a coffee, so I'm a little like all over the place. Honestly, Sam. Need water. It's loud. Sorry. Let me turn that down. Better? The core. Can I yoink the crow? I want to hug the crow. If anybody knows what Fear and Hunger is, it kind of looks like the crow mauler. I like crows. Personally, I want to hold a crow. Hold a crow. Going to hold you to that. Yoinks the crow. Don't eat the crow! She boop its snoot. Is it like 5 minutes per night? Because I don't know. Also, what? If I like crows, but that crow. What is wrong with the crow? Munch, my crow is my arch nemesis. Why? What is with you guys and eating the crow? Anybody who has just joined the stream, they're probably like, what is going on, man? Alright. Should I try this one more time? Crow looks like it'll pray my funeral. Me and my dad were driving through my neighborhood, and there was like a ton of crows just hanging out on this house, and my dad's like, oh yes, that's a mass murder. Where's Pusheen? It's my emotional support. I need Pusheen. We have history. What do you mean you have history with the crow? Do you know him from somewhere? What did the crow do to you? So I'm pretty sure. Okay. Pretty sure there's gears for this like gearbox looking thing. Yeah, that's for the box. So okay. So I need to make 1,000 real quick. Take some from me. Stop trying to kill the crow. Just for that, I'm gonna name him something, just so you guys get attached. What should we name him? Have you read Percy Jackson? It didn't really interest me. Yeah, this is definitely made with Unity. Honestly, I love Unity. Fun fact, I have made a game myself. It's bad. But I have made a game before. Name him Seaweed? I love that! We're naming him Seaweed. That's Seaweed the Crow. Or Peanut. I don't know. I can also use a lantern. I know, man. Thank you. He is helpful. He's letting me know what's going on. Although he doesn't tell me directly. He's just like, you got this, girl. He's like, you got this, honey. I believe in you. Someone just commissioned me to help with mod for FNF. Oh, I can't stand FNF. I can't. I hate it. The creator did some questionable things with the money. And I can't stand FNF. Seaweed, I hate him. No. I love Seaweed. Her name is Seaweed. The creator of the game did something. I can't remember what, but it's been like 2 years and people donated like over like $2 million for it to be like a full game or something. And it just never came out. Nope. And everyone was just like angry over it. Let me just water my crops. God. Annoying little butthead. Oh, I don't like you. Be Red Riding Hood. Yeah, bro. I'm in my fit. I just FNF for so long. I liked FNF for a long time, and then I just like despised it. It just gives me the ick. See if he's gonna steal your crops. They're not even fully grown. Ugh. Okay, so he's leaving soon. Got it. My character hasn't even technically died. I'm just being sad. Bluey's too wholesome for it. Yes. Oh, should we name the crow Bluey then? Should name the crow Bluey. Oh my god, I'm so fast. Speed up. Don't feed the deer. Is that a there's no deer or don't feed the deer? I can't tell. Oh, I'm gonna need that. I hate that my sprint is so like low. I hate that. Like you got a little dash, like you got a little boogie, then like no more. I want fall to come soon. Fun fact, I'm born on December 2nd, but I'm technically born in fall because the first day of winter is December 21st. So, I'm technically a fall baby. I need to like get used to the F key being like everything. The damned crow. Yeah, because he gives me sticks. Crow is good. Augustian? What is this? Oh! Okay, that's gonna be useful. Once I get my thingy down. Born in August. Someone please clip the first. No, 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 no. I hear them. I hear that little butthead. People saw touchy. You get that slight. I wonder what happens if you touch the sharp properly. You would get cut. Just saying. You just get whack. He's gonna eat my crops! Those damn birds are gonna touch my crops. Huh? I'm washing the bed. I'm washing the bed. Because that thing sometimes appears. They don't appreciate it. Did I not warn you? Broke my arm. Wow, how did you break your arm again? Liam. Sweet Pea, how did you break your arm once more? I know there's a clown enemy. I know that. Maybe that's what the music box was? I might play this for Halloween. Not quite sure, but I'm pretty set. This was originally going to be a Halloween stream for my channel, but then I was like, I'm impatient, so gravity. Stop breaking your arm. I forbid you. Yeah, this was originally going to be a Halloween stream. I love the vibe of the game though. Ooh, what this? Oh! Oh, seeds! Sweet purple cup. Bet. Mine now. Yum, yum, yum. Crop yield. I'm rich. So that one spot. It's coming from the well! God. You're gonna kiss that thing for me. Every little thing is scaring me. I'm just trying to make it to an hour. I think I can give it a balloon, but where's the balloon? What is this? Okay, these are pants, clearly. This is a shirt. Like, according to all known laws of aviation, these two people, its wings are too small to get its fat little body off the ground. Kiss the thing? No thanks. I don't want to give it a smooch. I'm okay. Ugh. Alright. Let's try to get it through a night. Nope. No, thank you. I'm alright. Thank you. Even if every time I want to see the can't eat fish fight because they're all dead. I'm positive. I'm positive. What was that? I don't like it. Oh, I hear the thing. Yeah, I hear. Yeah, there it is. You see that? The little. Oh, my thing's about to die. And I don't have money to refill it. God, I hate you. Stay in the light. No, just kill me. Just kill me. I'm done. Just kill me. I'm a loser. I just gave up. Oh! Survived? You mean survived? Friend-shaped. We're not friend the monster. It's not friend-shaped. It's not. It's not friend-shaped. It looks like a deformed piece of bologna. It's a deformed piece of bologna. Prove me wrong. With teeth. You, like... It is not friend-shaped, Leah. No. Not friend-shaped. It's evil. What? What was that? I'm sorry? What broke through? What was that? It is not friend-shaped. It's a butthead. Well, that was fun. What was that the guy? In the well? What was that? What was that? Oh my god. What is that? Ugh. God. How do I beat that thing? What? Bye, Ray. We're gonna be through this a lot. I'm gonna draw while you play. Thank you. My heart. That's my heartbeat. I shouldn't have drinking a coffee before I played this game. You want to upgrade your tool? Does it sound like that? He looks like he's gagging too. I'm just saying. Hit one more. Gracias, señor. You know, this started out as being like, oh, look how cute this character is. No. Spooky. All I need for it is a mic and an additional hard drive. You can find a hard drive on Amazon. Oh, but no, I made my computer. I built the computer I'm playing on. I know, and she's a genius. I say genius women are hot, man. What can I say? Okay, I don't need any more. Like, we're overfilling this water bucket. How cute I am. I'm so innocent looking. Ow. I want fish running the crops! Here, no, too much of the couch to do that. Yeah, hi. How you doing today? I'm not even fazed by him anymore. I'm just like, hey, how you doing? How you doing, sweetheart? Yeah, go away. Why is your jaw broken? Okay, he's left. Takes around a millennia to, you know, get the water. I want to come around for sticks. Anything useful would be nice. Oh, yep, that's something useful. Coin. I'm gonna buy a shirt this time rather than a hood. Oh, bye, Liam. Get a shirt. Ooh, I'm emo. I'm a vampire, bro. Look at me go. The character is friend shaped. Character is very friend shaped. What should we name the character? Just Pumpkin? That's his name. Pumpkin is character's name. Pumpkin is very friend-shaped. Like, look at me run around. Look how cute I am. Get my water capacity up a little bit. Why is it going down? Penny? Ooh, Penny. I like Penny. I like Penny. I like that name. What are my crops? Okay. 1 row. That's fine. I don't need to water my crops. Is it too loud, by the way? Just let me know if it's ever too loud. If it was a male Parker, I like that. Penny and Parker. It should be a 2-player game, man. This should totally be a 2-player game. Like, I am advocating for a full game. Like a fully paid, like a paid for product. I want a paid for product. I think he's gone. My whole chat for like a good 5 minutes or so was just like, oh, friend, Penny Parker. Oh my God, from the Spider-Verse movie. I love Penny Parker was great. I loved her. Literally carried her team. On God. On God, for real, bro, I hated that. I apologize for what I've said. Where's my money? Where's my money? Money. I sound like Mr. Krabs. Money, money, money. Why is it in a cage? Because it growled at me. But what was that thing in the well? What are you? Like, I don't appreciate this. Hope you know. Who would choose to live here? Like, genuinely, who would choose to live here? My comment section. God, I hate here. Okay, well. You know what? I think that's all for today. I really just wanted a taste of this game so I could figure out what I'm gonna do for Halloween via this channel, because I didn't really do a Halloween special last year and the year before that, so I'm just planning on doing a Halloween kind of stream if anybody is interested in that. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching the stream, and I hope to see you guys next time. As soon as I can figure out how to end my stream, excuse me. Anyway, I hope you guys had a good day. Bye-bye.